What's going on YouTube? I'm Not So Kyle, and this week I would like to start my health transformation journey, and I would love for you guys to join me. We all know about the COVID pandemic that's currently going on. I would like to first say I hope you guys are all staying safe and healthy. But next, this pandemic has also affected our ability to continue living a healthy lifestyle. I mean, with the social distancing measures, gyms and fitness centers were closed. I know a lot of them are starting to reopen, but during that time, I know a lot of us probably picked up a few extra pounds that we wouldn't mind losing, because I know at least I have. I would like to show you guys some pictures here. It's these few pictures right here I'm about to show you guys are of me just 2 years ago. I was 32 at the time, so let's take a look. Yeah, that's right. These are me 2 years ago. And now these are also pictures of me 2 years ago. Yes, these are also pictures of me. Now the kicker is, these pictures were taken about only 10 weeks apart. That's what, a little more than 2 months? Now I'm sure you guys are probably wondering how I went looking from this to this in such a short time frame. You're probably wanting to know what products did I use, what supplements did I take. Well, I have good news for you guys. I didn't take anything special. I'm not here to try to sell a magic diet weight loss pill or a supplement that will increase your muscle mass. The stuff that I use, the foods and the beverages that I consumed, you can get at your local grocery stores, or at least most of them. And you guys are going to be pretty surprised as to what they are. The reason why I bring this up is, well, honestly, I don't look like this anymore. I lost some muscle mass and I definitely gained some weight during COVID. And this is what I look like now. I know it's not anything to be ashamed of, but I know that the healthy habits and the healthy lifestyle choices that I used to do, I haven't been doing them. So over the next few months, I'm going to be posting about my progress, and I'm hoping you guys are going to be there to join me. Let me know in the comments how you guys plan on doing that, whether it's going to be tuning in to just help keeping me accountable, or if you're tuning in to join me in this journey, on this journey to getting back to healthy choices and a healthy lifestyle. So be sure to like and subscribe to my channel, because in my next video, I'm going to be talking about what foods and beverages I consume, how and why I chose these, and what my routine is going to look like. So until next time YouTube, I'm Not So Kyle. Thanks for watching.